Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about raspberries, and I have some suggested flavor or food combinations that are known to work well with raspberries. So if you're looking for some ideas and something different to do with raspberries, hopefully this will help you out. How about combining raspberries with apricots and mint? How about raspberries with brown sugar, cinnamon, and oats? Or raspberries with honey, lemon, and yogurt? How about raspberries with mangoes and peaches? Or raspberries with mint and pistachios? That sounds really good to me. Well, if you like raspberries combined with some foods that I haven't mentioned here, let me know. Share it with others in the comment section below. This is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.